Okay, we're now in Panglao Grande Resort. This is our third time here actually in Panglao Grande. And this is a budget resort here in Panglao Island, Bohol. So let's take a look at the beachfront of this budget resort, Panglao Grande Resort. So it's actually 10:30 a.m. and as what you can see, it's high tide right now. So here's the beachfront of Panglao Grande Resort. Here are the beachfront cottages. Okay, just visit the description box below for the discounted rates of cottages here, of rooms here in Panglao Grande Resort. So there are the beachfront rooms. Okay, and here are the beach beds. So if you book a beachfront room here in Panglao Grande, it's just roughly, I guess, 300 or 400 meters away from the beach. So there's also a restaurant here in Panglao Grande Resort. But I guess they're just open from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. And for dinner, they're open at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. So here are the beachfront cottages. Okay, if you want a beachfront cottage, just select a triple room on my link in the description box below. And if you're on a budget, there are cheaper rooms here in Panglao Grande. So the rooms are here at the back of the resort. And there's also a mini pool here in Panglao Grande. So again, if you're on a budget and you want to experience the beautiful island of Panglao here in Bohol, okay, I'm encouraging you to visit 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗏 Beach and stay here in Panglao Grande Resort. So thank you. Again, this is One Arm Wanderer.